There is a blouse sitting in your wardrobe right now that is quietly making you look 10 years older every single time you put it on. And the worst part? You probably think it looks fine. Maybe even good. But today we are exposing 7 very specific blouse mistakes that most women over 60 are making without even realizing it. And by the time this video ends, you are going to look at your entire wardrobe completely differently. Stay with me. Welcome to Glow at Every Age, where looking polished and put together after 60 does not require a big budget. It just requires knowing the right things. New here? Hit subscribe right now. Returning viewers, welcome back home. Before we dive in, drop a comment telling me what color blouse you wore last. I love knowing what this community gravitates toward. Give this a thumbs up if you are ready. Let us get into it. Mistake 1. Wearing blouses that are one size too big, just to be safe. This is the number 1 most common mistake, and it comes from a very understandable place. When we are not completely confident about a particular area of our body, the instinct is to cover it with extra fabric. Go a little bigger. A little looser. Play it safe. But here is the truth that changes everything. Extra fabric does not hide the body. It adds to it. A blouse that is too large sits away from the body in all the wrong places, creates shapeless bulk across the chest and shoulders, and actually draws more attention to the midsection rather than less. It also makes the shoulders look dropped and heavy, which ages the entire upper body significantly. The fix: the goal is not fitted. The goal is the right fit. A blouse should skim the body, not grip it and not swim on it. The shoulder seam should sit exactly at the edge of your shoulder, not drooping halfway down your arm. If you love the fabric and the color of a blouse, but the fit is not right, a simple alteration from a tailor costs very little and transforms the entire garment completely. Mistake TWO. Choosing fabrics that have no movement. Stiff fabrics are one of the quietest, but most powerful aging culprits in women's fashion over 60, and almost nobody talks about it. A blouse made from a very stiff structured fabric like thick cotton poplin or rigid polyester sits away from the body in awkward ways, does not drape gracefully, and tends to wrinkle and bunch in unflattering places throughout the day. As we get older, our bodies naturally change in terms of posture and shape. Fabrics that move with the body are infinitely more flattering than fabrics that hold their own rigid shape regardless of what the body underneath is doing. The fix: reach for blouses in fluid fabrics like silk, satin, viscose, rayon or soft jersey. These fabrics drape beautifully, move gracefully with the body and photograph extremely well. They also tend to feel luxurious against the skin, which is a completely underrated bonus. When you run your hand over a blouse in the store and it flows and moves in your hand, that is the fabric you want. Mistake 3. Ignoring the neckline completely. Most women pick a blouse based on the color or the print and give almost no thought to the neckline. And this is a significant missed opportunity, because the neckline of a blouse is the single most powerful feature when it comes to how your face and neck look on camera, in photos and in person. A neckline that is too high and too close to the throat can make the neck look shorter and draw attention to any changes in the neck area. A neckline that is too wide and too open can look unintentionally casual or sloppy depending on the occasion. Neither extreme is serving you. The fix: for most women over 60, the most universally flattering necklines are the V-neck, the soft scoop neck and the open collar. These necklines elongate the neck visually, draw the eye toward the face and create an open, elegant frame for the whole upper body. If you love a high neckline, a simple open collar, or a single undone button immediately transforms it into something far more flattering and intentional. Mistake 4. Wearing busy prints that overwhelm the face. Prints are wonderful. Color is wonderful. Pattern is wonderful. But there is a very specific way that busy, overwhelming prints work against women over 60, and it has everything to do with where the eye goes first. When a blouse has a very large, loud, or chaotic print, the eye goes straight to the fabric and stays there. The face, which should always be the focal point of any outfit, gets completely lost in the visual noise of the pattern. Instead of the first thing someone notices being your beautiful eyes or your gorgeous smile, it is the print on your blouse. That is not the impression you want to make. The fix: if you love prints, and there is absolutely no reason to give them up, choose prints that are medium scaled and have some breathing room between the pattern elements. Ditzy florals, soft watercolor prints and classic geometric patterns in 2 or 3 colors are all beautiful choices for women over 60. Pair a printed blouse with solid bottoms always so the print has somewhere clean and quiet to land. We are right in the middle of this video, and I have a feeling at least one of these mistakes has already made you think about something specific hanging in your wardrobe right now. Go ahead and drop a comment below telling me which mistake you are most guilty of, because I promise you are in very good company here, and this community does not judge. If you are watching this and you are not yet subscribed to Glow at Every Age, please do that right now. We put out content exactly like this every single week for women who want to look and feel their absolute best without spending a fortune. Hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. Now let us keep going, because the next 3 mistakes are the ones most people never see coming. Mistake 5. Tucking everything in or leaving everything out. This sounds simple, but it is one of the most impactful styling decisions you make every single day, and most women do it completely on autopilot. Either everything gets fully tucked in, or everything hangs completely out, and neither extreme is consistently doing you any favors. A fully tucked blouse can create a very rigid and formal look that requires a perfectly smooth waistband to work well. If the waistband of your trousers or skirt is not sitting exactly right, the full tuck draws immediate attention to it. On the other hand, a blouse that hangs completely out and untucked can look unfinished and shapeless, particularly if it is a longer blouse over slim trousers. The fix? The answer is the half tuck. Tuck just the front portion of the blouse into your waistband and leave the back and sides loose. This one styling move creates a waistline, looks effortlessly intentional, and works beautifully with almost every blouse and bottom combination. It is the styling trick that makes an outfit look like it was put together with thought and care without actually taking any extra time at all. Mistake 6. Wearing the wrong colors near the face. Color is one of the most powerful and most underused tools in a woman's wardrobe, and wearing the wrong colors near the face is one of the fastest ways to look tired, washed out, or older than you actually are. This is especially true for the blouse since it sits directly in the frame of the face and neck. Colors that clash with your natural skin undertone can cast unflattering shadows under the eyes, make the skin look dull or sallow, and generally make you look like you need more sleep than you actually do. And this happens regardless of how beautiful the color is on its own, or how much you love it in theory. The fix: hold the blouse up near your face in natural light before you buy it or before you wear it. Look at what happens to your skin. Does it look brighter and more alive? Or does it look a little flat and tired? That simple test tells you everything you need to know. Generally speaking, women with warm skin undertones glow in earthy tones, warm reds, camel, coral and gold. Women with cool undertones look stunning in jewel tones like sapphire, emerald, plum and soft pinks. When the color is right near your face, the whole look comes alive instantly. Mistake 7. Forgetting that sleeves matter just as much as everything else. The sleeve of a blouse is one of the most overlooked details in the entire garment, and it is doing quiet, but significant work in terms of how the whole look comes together. Many women over 60 default to either full-length sleeves for coverage, or very short sleeves out of habit, without ever considering whether the sleeve length and style is actually the most flattering option for their arms and their overall proportions. Very short cap sleeves, for example, can draw attention to the upper arm in a way that many women find unflattering. Very long tight sleeves can make the arm look heavy and can restrict movement in a way that affects posture. Neither of these is giving you the best version of the blouse. The fix. The most universally flattering sleeve lengths for women over 60 are the 3/4 sleeve and the elbow length sleeve. Both of these hit the arm at a naturally slimmer point, which makes the arm look longer and more elegant. They also allow freedom of movement, which keeps the posture open and relaxed. If you find a blouse you love with a less flattering sleeve length, a good tailor can adjust sleeve length for very little cost, and the difference it makes is remarkable. Here is the thing about all 7 of these mistakes. None of them are about your body being wrong. None of them are about your age being a problem. Every single one of them is about information. And now you have it. The way you dress is a conversation you are having with the world before you even open your mouth. And when your blouse fits right, drapes in the right fabric, frames your face with the right neckline, and sits in the right color near your skin, that conversation says confident, elegant, intentional, and absolutely put together. Because that is exactly what you are. Go through your wardrobe this week with fresh eyes. You might be surprised how many pieces you already own that just needed one of these small adjustments to go from fine to absolutely fabulous. If this video helped you today, please share it with a woman in your life who deserves to feel this good about getting dressed. Leave a comment below telling me which of these 7 mistakes surprised you the most. Subscribe if you have not already and turn on your notifications, because we have so much more coming for you every single week. Thank you for spending this time with us today. You are not just getting older. You are getting more elegant every single day. And we will see you in the next one.